Here's an example. Suppose you put $2,000 in the bank, earning 2% APR, annual percentage rate, compounded daily for 8 years. What does it become? Well, the final amount is what we want to know. The initial amount is $2,000. Compounded daily means that the number of times we compound it each year is 365. The number of years, y, is 8. And the periodic rate, you don't get 2%, you don't get 0.02, you get 1/365th of that each year. And this we should compute, and we get 0.02 divided by 365, and we get, oof, okay, here's my 4 significant digits, 5479, shifted 5 times, 5479. So this is 5.5479 shifted 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is why it's very important to talk about 4 significant digits. If you just use the first 4 digits, they'd be all 0. It's like you weren't getting interest at all. Let's go with the 4 significant digits. And then what is our formula? Our formula is F is A 1 plus R to the YN, which in this case is 2,000. 1 plus that rate of interest is 1.00005479. And Y times N is, oh lordy, 8 times 365. And we remember that there are these invisible parentheses up there. So that is what we're going to have to compute first. And so we say 8 times 365 is 2920. So let's copy that over. This is 2920 as an exponent of 1.00005479 times 2000. I can do this all in one go on a calculator if I do the exponent first, say equals, and then multiply by the 2000. So we say 1.00005479 raised up to the 2920 is that times 2000, and we get 234,698. 234,698. I know, it's kind of sad, these examples. You waited 8 years and your $2,000 has gone up by $346.98. And in real life, well, 2% is kind of realistic, but oh, the rates of interest are pathetic right now. Oh, let's just do one more example. Let's say we have $800. $800 earns 1.75% APR. Let's say monthly. Monthly is pretty popular. For 5 years. A fun example is, look at the difference between monthly and daily. It's pathetic what the difference is. Someone's like, ooh, I'm offering you daily interest. It really makes almost no difference between monthly and daily. It's pennies on the year. Anyway, this 800 is our A. The monthly means N is 12. The Y is the 5. The R is not 0.0175, moving the decimal place 2 places to get rid of the percent, but it's that divided by 12. So our final amount is going to be 800. 1 plus 0.0175 over 12 raised up to the 12 times 5. And this is F is 800 I'm going to figure out that in just a second. I might need more space. 12 times 5 is 60. What have we got? We've got addition and division. We have to do the division first. 0.0175 divided by 12 is that number. And then if I add 1, it doesn't change too much. I still want those 4 significant digits, not counting the 1. So 1458 with 2 zeros. So it's 1458. 1.001458. Is that right? Oh, 1458. Right. Hey, and that number is right there. I want to raise that up to the 60th power. Ping. And multiply by 800. Ping. 873. I'm going to round that up to 10. 873.10. 873.10. Oh golly, you waited 8 years and your $800, 5 years and your $800 became $873.10. This is why the rich people are going crazy right now, because they want to just sit on their butts and have their money earn interest, and they want to live off of it. And you can't get squat for interest right now, and that makes them very upset. Probably doesn't make you and I all that concerned, because we're not sitting on $1 million that we want, or $1 billion that we wanted to just live off of the interest for the rest of our lives.